Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Subway Printers Runner game app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get the right app, you need to go to Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android. If you're on Android, you should look for this Play Store app, tap on it, and then log in with your Gmail account. And if you're on iPhone, log in with your Apple ID before you can search for your app. So I'll just tap on search here, and here I'll search for Subway Printers Runner. Here it is. If I run, you can see here's the app. Tap on it to see more details about the app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from this company or this producer, that is Ivy. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 1 million reviews. You can see it has been reviewed a lot, and the current size is averagely 134 MBs, and currently this app has been downloaded over 500 million times, so it has a large number of downloads. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app, and this is the logo for our app. So to get it, now tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Subway Printers Runner game app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can proceed and play from here to launch your app, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to find your app and play it. So that's how you can install the right Subway Printers Runner game app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.